Hi guys! For today's ganap, since it's weekend, Saturday, naisipan po ni Danny na pumunta ng SM para mamasyal. Mamasyal lang guys kasi wala pa kaming pera. Window shopping lang kumbaga. So ayan, dumaan lang kami dito sa may Mandorriao area which is very traffic talaga. And nagsisiksikan yung mga sasakyan. So marami ditong naaaksidenteng mga sasakyan guys. So anyway, ayan. Um, it's just like maybe 5 to 10 minutes drive lang naman siya from our home. So ayan, si daddy nga ang naghatid sa amin dahil meron siyang aasikasuhin. So hatid sundo lang yan siya sa amin, guys. Okay. So, ayan, tinanong ko si Danny kung ano ang gusto niyang gawin sa SM. At ang bata, sabi niya lang is, follow me, mommy. O, diba? Pero alam ko na, guys, kung saan niya gustong pumunta. So, dahil Sabado nga, medyo maraming tao din. Mga around 2 o'clock na rin yan. So, pupunta lang tayo ng ground floor kung saan doon ang kanyang paboritong kainan ng ramen. Yes, guys, napakahilig po talaga ni Danny ng ramen, especially if spicy siya. And sometimes, nag-order pa kami ng times 2 na spicy paste. Miso paste ba yun? Spicy miso paste. Comment down below, guys, if I got it wrong, no? So, ayan, dito lang yan siya sa may harap or mismong sa Sadchat or Tungyang. Ito yung Botejo. Tama ba yung sabi ko, Botejo? And alam na ng mga waitress dyan, guys, kung ano yung gusto namin kainin. So, ayan yung loob niya. Napaka-simple lang, guys, and it feels like you are in Japan. O, diba? Except doon what do you call this, sa upuan. Kasi, diba, usually, sa parang sahig sila na upo. So, ayan yung menu nila. So, I just noticed, no, na bago yung kanilang menu book. So, medyo marami na silang entry ngayon and they are like collaborated for some, I don't know what you call that, parang cartoons or something, mga character. So, ayan, marami na silang, ngayon guys, food sa kanilang menu. So, which is good kasi marami kang pagpipilian. But anyway, yeah, so, kunwari lang, tingin-tingin, pero alam na talaga namin guys, ano ang kakainin namin. So, ayan si Danny, nagpicture lang siya kasi medyo ngang as what I've said, nag-collab yung parang character something. So, we just ordered spicy ramen tonkatsu. Tama ba? And after that, we also decided to go for ice cream since walang ice cream na available yung Botijo. So, ayan, si Danny. Siya lang talaga namang kumain, guys. Napakamura lang. So, pumunta lang kami ng Momoyo. Tama ba? Yeah. Punta lang kami dyan and si Danny kumain lang siya ng vanilla ice cream, 1 scoop. It's like around 49 pesos. You can just, get it because it's very affordable. Pero hindi pa niya yan naubos, guys. So, ako na naman yung kumain ng tira-tira niya. So, after that, we went to Kizuna. Nasa yan siya? Upper ground floor. Third or fourth? Third yata. Oh, yeah. So, I just let Danny play like 2 hours. And ako naman is medyo nakapagpahinga. I just sat down there sa couch while, watching her. So, alam naman ni Danny na maglaro dyan. Kasi she's big enough. She's 9 years old. So, anyway, ayan. Nag-i-enjoy naman yung bata. And after that, we went to South Point just to, she just want to run around and watch the mini fountain. And yeah, magandang umupo-upo dito guys, especially if hindi mainit. So I just also bought some dinner, like for daddy is the cup salad from Earl Sandwich. And
We'll be making snowman cheesy pastillas.
after that, kinabukasan ay gawa naman si Danny ng kanyang project sa school, which is the making the snowman cheesy pastillas. And medyo disaster nga guys kasi marami yung nilagay namin condensed milk. But nagawa namin ng paraan. So, which is good. Diba? Saan pa ba at kailangan nating gumawa ng paraan pag nagkamali tayo. So, ayan o, nabuhos niya. Nabuhos or binuhos niya talaga guys yung isang buong lata ng condensed milk. So, yeah, that's it guys. And, yan muna sa tayo. See you. Bye.